Because you hang on me. Oh, wear helmets, kids. Like, that's why you wear a helmet right there. Oh, God!
What happened?
You hit that like this concrete. He died! Benson died! What's up, guys? I don't totally recommend waxing in a snowstorm, but I didn't have enough time to get the wax on, so we're making do with what we got. It sizzles when you do it. I don't think that's supposed to happen, but if you guys need snowboard wax, I'm sponsored by Pearl Wax. Ooh, I don't want to burn my truck. I'm sponsored by Pearl Wax now, so if you need like a wax iron, wax, literally anything, like a wax starting kit, use code BUCK20 on pearlwax.com. You'll save 20% off your order. It's super sick. I'm stoked to be working with these guys this year. They've been in business forever. They're eco-friendly, so you can like scrape into the parking lot and whatnot. But the other thing is they have a plant-based model now too. So if you're really into like that super, like, you know what I'm saying, like plant-based type living, that's an option for you too. And we got a crew already. Sean Oz, you probably don't recognize him because he's not wearing all black. And we got this guy. What's your name?
Jason.
Jason's here, and then Jonathan somewhere, and today's gonna be sick. I just gotta finish waxing my
Did you show me that video that I took
All right, we're gonna be extra fast today. Let's get it. He died! Benson died! Did you see that? My brain so hard. Oh, wear helmets, kids. Like, that's why you wear a helmet right there. Simple little side hit. Oh, I'm so happy it's snowing, guys. Hey, like, the snow feels so much better. Yeah. Dude, you almost smoked that pole.
I know. I had to come in for the shock though.
My face is so cold still from you spraying me.
Sorry about that.
That's good.
I only spray friends. I think spraying strangers is lame, by the way. The crazy thing is when it snows like this, it reminds me of today's sticker shout out. We got PNW Shredder with the orange sticker on the helmet. Looking so sick. Guys, if you want to get an Evolution sticker, or any of the hoodies, merch, t-shirts, long sleeves, literally any of the merch type stuff we got, it's all linked in the description. If you do snag any of it, tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also go follow my Instagram. It's where I post a bunch of behind the scenes stuff. It's where you know where I'm shredding each day, so then you're on the same mountain, you can come find me and say what's up. And then I just post behind, like, extra content. Nothing wrong with extra content. So follow the Instagram, and I'm trying to beat Benton to 10,000 followers on Instagram. So don't go follow Benton on Instagram either.
No. Follow Benton on Instagram. I get an extra shout out today for yesterday's video.
And if you missed yesterday's video, check it out. And you guys enjoying the fresh snow? It's absolutely puking right now. Okay, quick body update. The boots are about 70% broken in. My feet are still numb, they hurt, but it's not as bad as the first 2 days. My butt is probably about 80% healed. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I literally, my whole left butt cheek became purple. What's up, dude?
I was literally watching a video last night.
Let's go! That's so awesome. I love the yellow jacket.
Hey, thanks, man. Have fun.
Heck yeah. By Wolf Creek, I hit a rock with my butt. Full thing turned purple. It hurt to anything. So anytime I fall, I try and like get off my butt as quick as possible. So holding back a little bit due to that, but we're almost back to 100%, is what I'm trying to say. So I'm stoked. You guys can't see this view right now, but it's amazing.
But I'm what you need. I know my high just started, but I hit a peak, yeah.
Alright guys, so you guys have been commenting a bunch. You're liking all the new jackets. I literally think I'm going to be rotating like 6 jackets this season. Picked up like 2 new ones off the off season. The point and the reason why I'm telling you this is if you want any new snowboard gear or any of the gear that I rock or like my snowboard pants, my gloves, my goggles, the helmet, it's all linked in the description, as well as all the vlogging cameras, like the GoPro stick I use, everything I use to film snowboarding YouTube videos it's all linked down below through Amazon affiliate links. So if you want any of my gear, just go hit the description. It's all organized nicely. Even my son's gear is down there, my son Roman. So if you have a little one, you need a snowboard, you need stuff like that. So check out the description. And then other than that, guys, how you doing, Sean?
Yeah, you found me.
Yeah, no, you ran away.
I had to make
He left us. He left us. So Sean's drawing my pro model snowboard, and he hasn't finished it yet. So everyone comment down below or unsubscribe unless he finishes it. No, go.
You know what? How about you go subscribe to me and I'll finish it faster?
Yeah, go subscribe to Sean's channel. He makes awesome drone content. But he's drawing my pro model snowboard that's coming out once it's done being drawn.
Oh!
Dude. I caught my edge.
Yeah, got it.
Oh. The butt?
Did you knock the wind out of yourself or are you breathing?
No, I just really smoked my head.
You got the helmet. Oh, shit, you hit that like it was concrete, dude.
What happened? The worst part is it hurt my knee. Ugh.
I love how the yellow jackets don't care about us.
Yeah.
Right? Right?
You okay, bro?
It's my knee.
Oh, good.
Like I'm like worried to put pressure on it.
Is this chipmunk then?
Because it pulled my leg. It like pulled me
Like a
so.
tendon, possibly?
Yeah, like my whole body got ripped. Died, dude. I've done that trick 7,802 times.
I heard it like it was through your bones. But
He's on skis and he just
This
freaking
ski's like into Benson. Fell
right
apart.
so hard. Felt like I got hit by a car.
Alright guys, so we just took a second to debrief that run and I'm probably concussed. I'm rocked right now from that slam. So yeah, I'm 100% concussed.
All work together.
We're just gonna end the video here because guys, I literally got rocked that run and I don't know if you've ever hit your head so hard. It gets worse from point of impact. So like I'm losing my memory a little bit.
let's watch that
like,
again.
Alright guys, we're definitely ending the video here. I'm super concussed. Probably gonna take the next 2 days off. Like, share, subscribe. I don't know, this is a little hard for me right now. So with that, as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Benton's driving home.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes.